Hey guys, so of course we're starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I will link what I use for my wash day in the description below. Number one thing is trying to get that part straight, y'all. I'm the worst with parting my hair down the middle because I do have a widow's peak and it's the worst, but it takes me multiple tries just to try to even get a halfway decent part. And then just clip those sections up and let's get ready to get started. A very important step to get a super sleek bun is detangling that hair. Make sure your hair is completely detangled, that will make sure all your strands lay down with the gel. So this Edge Booster gel is the only gel I use for my slick backs because that gel is amazing at laying your hair down. And with this brush you see, this is the Curtastic brush and I love it. This is like my first time using it in this video and I was amazed at how much it detangled my hair. So right here at this part, you see me applying the gel to my hair. Very, very, very important is to make sure you are coating that hair completely with the gel. Like you want that to be like you're applying ice into a cake. Lay that bad boy down. So I turned around so y'all could see what my hair looked like in the section that I was laying the gel down in. I know it looks crazy, but that's also why I grabbed my bristle brush and I use that to smooth my hair down even more. So I like to take a bristle brush and just brush the roots. I hate doing this, but it really smooths it. And then just take a band and just go ahead and tighten this spot up. Now I have a little ponytail in the back, a rat tail. So I go through and just slick every section, just as piece by piece. You see how I'm like putting it on, like just packing it onto my hair? I have to do that so it'll smooth it. Y'all, so I've finished the back of my hair. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see it. Super duper smooth. Side profile. Side profile. Alright, so now that y'all see that back there, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the front. I also sometimes take this fine tooth comb and just smooth my hair like backwards. All right, I'm gonna do the other side and I will be back. So guys, we are back and I have slicked down my entire head. As you can see, there's still like flyaways at the top, but I promise after I let this thing sit overnight, it'll be extremely better. So let's just show you guys how it looks from the side. So this is the side. This is the back. I hope it looks good. And then this is the other side. Using my favorite edge control. It's really tacky, so it'll pull. Get them edges, girl. So everybody does their edges differently, but I'm gonna do mine how I do mine, of course. Let's just get it. So the comb attachment broke off. Now we're gonna take some foam. Everybody knows foam like helps lay hair down, so put that bad boy over it. I know it's white, but it will dry a different color. And last thing is my Got2B. Got to be more careful. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put my scarf on and then I'm gonna let it sit overnight and then I will sit in the dryer in the morning and then I will come back. So, peace. Alright guys, so it is the next day and I have let my hair dry overnight and I also sat underneath the dryer this morning. So now the slickage should be in full effect, okay? Full effect. So let's take it off. Bow, y'all. Do y'all see this? Look at this. Let me turn to the side. What frizz? What frizz? The back. And I'll turn to the other side. So, I am very happy with these results, of course. Let me see if I can zoom y'all in so y'all can see. Like, we love to see it. So, I definitely feel like this kind of style is amazing for weddings, formal things, formal events, when you just want your hair out your face and then put all the focus on everything else. This would definitely put focus on your face, your features. So I really love this look. I hate that I can't do it all the time because I mess my hair up. But anywho, this is not the final look. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a piece of hair to it. Even though I have my hair back here, y'all see it? I want it to look a little bit better. So I went to a local beauty supply store and got some Marley hair. Stop focusing on me, focus on there. Okay, y'all can kind of see it. All right. So this is how much hair we're gonna use. Y'all see? All right. Wait. Just put your hair into a real deep bun, like so. All right, take that elastic band and pull half through. So you'll be left with this, and just take this and just secure it around your bun. All right, so y'all see, it would be cute if I had it like this, but I don't have time for that. So let's just take, I'm sorry that my bra is showing y'all.
Let's take this side and wrap it around this way. My earring's getting caught on it. All right. Keep on wrapping. And when you get to the end, like this much, just tuck it in so it just stays. Take the other side and go the opposite way. And voila. Can y'all see it? This makes your piece look a little bit better right there. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how I do my slick back buns. If you like this video, just remember to like, comment, and share to all your other friends. And just keep on watching and stay tuned for the next video on Beyond Blair. Love you guys and stay safe. Bye.